In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take off delay when recording in Soundtrap. If you hit record and hear your voice bouncing back with an echo or lag, it might not be your computer or internet. Often that delay is coming from effects that are turned on while you're monitoring your performance. The fix is simple: record dry and save the effects for later. Start by selecting the track you plan to record on. Click on your vocal or instrument track so it's highlighted and active. This makes sure any changes you make apply to the right place. With the track selected, open the effects panel. In Soundtrap, every track has an effects area where you can add or adjust processors. We're going to use that same area to temporarily turn things off. Now look through the chain and bypass anything that can create or exaggerate delay. Specifically, turn off delay, reverb, and echo. These effects are designed to add space and repeats, which sound great in a mix but can be distracting and confusing when you're trying to perform in time. Also, switch off pitch correction or auto-tune while recording. Even gentle pitch processing can introduce a tiny bit of processing time, and that's enough to make your monitoring feel late or rubbery. If there's a bypass switch on each effect, use that instead of deleting the effect entirely. Bypassing lets you keep your settings intact for later, but keeps your monitoring path clean while you record. You want what engineers call a dry signal. No ambience, no repeats, no pitch manipulation. Just your raw performance straight into the track. This makes it easier to lock in your timing, sing or play confidently, and hear the true dynamics of what you're doing. Do a quick test take after turning those off. Say a few words or play a short phrase and listen back. You should hear yourself immediately without that lingering echo. If it feels tight and natural, you're ready to record your full part. Once you've captured a solid performance, go back to the effects panel and re-enable your processing. Turn your delay, reverb, echo, and pitch tools back on and dial them to taste. This is the best time to shape tone, add space, and polish the sound because you're enhancing a clean take rather than fighting it while you perform. That's all there is to it. Record dry, then decorate after. Your timing will improve, your takes will feel more confident, and your mixes will sound better because you'll be making effect decisions with a clear, clean foundation.